Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix verification code is not received. So let's get started. Well, the first way here, we're going to swipe down from the right corner of your screen and we're going to toggle on the airplane mode and then we're going to turn it back off. And that will reconnect to your cell carrier because sometimes why you don't receive like verification code it's because you don't have a good signal on your phone. And now the second way, make sure you haven't blocked that number you're getting a verification code from. So go to your phone and tap on the three dots and then settings. After that, look for blocked numbers, and here make sure that you haven't blocked that number. So if you see that number here on this list, then tap on the X icon to unblock it. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.